an accident happened on the highway.
This the product, man.
What the heck? Yo, what's going on, YouTube? Alright, let me close this because that wind is wailing right now. Let's take you guys on a little highway drive, man. It's actually during the day, guys. Surprise! It's daytime. I know I never record during the day. I'm surprised myself, but I mean the sun is almost down. It's 5:45 right now. The sun is about to go down. It was sunny, I mean, when I came out, but your boy's heading to the gym. So I figured I'd do a little POV drive for you guys, man, on the highway. Try to cut up a little bit. Your boy has no gas, but you can call me Mr. No Gas at this point, because you guys already know, and we never got gas, man. But yeah, man, we're just gonna be cruising on the high, see what's up. So we got 31 miles right now left. By the time we get there, we'll probably have like 10. So a 13-minute drive, so I'll take you, might as well take you guys along, man. You guys like the POVs, I like making the POVs, so why not make a whole bunch of POVs? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, guys? Well, I'll actually try to cut up this video, man. At least like all the way on the way there, I'm gonna try to cut up most of it. This highway is pretty good for it. There's always some sort of traffic, so you can definitely cut up and stuff. And there's always somebody cutting up on this highway, cutting up in Bronx traffic. I actually went to get a car wash, but I had to leave because I had to go do something else. So I'm gonna just come back tomorrow, the next day, to get my car washed. So I guess we'll stay dirty for one more day, and then I'll just, you know, get it fixed tomorrow so we can be looking nice and clean. But for right now, we dirty, man. Dirty man, yeah, that's me. Oh boy, there is hella traffic though. Can't even really cut up much. It's like I don't really have the space to do anything, really. Every lane is, you know, got cars. I wonder if you guys can hear the burbles right now, cause I'm sure you guys can hear it a little bit, but when I put the windows down, that's when you guys really hear it. What is that, a Maybach DZ? Or not, it's like big body though. I don't like getting on that right lane. That right lane be bugging out. After this little bridge, if I have the, you know, if it's valid, then I'll get on it. But I know that lane is no good. Here we go. Let's pass this guy here. Oh boy. Oh, already screaming at me for more gas. Leave me alone. This guy behind me, he's chasing me right now. I'm on the worst lane, bro. I ain't gonna lie. This right lane be for the grandmas and grandpas, bro. Get me out of it. Let's go on the fast lane. Let's go over here, man. Here we go. I was really hoping I was gonna have my car washed today. This thing looks dirty, but it's okay. I'll get it done tomorrow. It's not like I really drive it that much anyway, especially when I'm working. Oh, look at the Beamer right here. Should we cut up with him? What's good? What's good? Let's chase this guy. Let's go out. Let's go. What? That's the ALPINA shit? Oh, this thing's even fast, bro. Those cars are so, I feel like those cars are so rare. You barely see those. I'm on him though. I'm on him. Let's go. We on him, boys. And then we got like a big body in front of him. Fuck! Stupid ass Honda. I probably would have made it if I was closer to him, but he gone now. Stupid ass Honda got on my way, boys. Oh, I see him. He's right there. Mad traffic, bro. We're trying to cut up for you guys, but there's so much traffic. Can barely do that. Oh, he out. He taking the exit. See you, bro. See you, broski. And we got a Q60S in the back right behind me, but I don't think he really want to do anything. He chilling back there. I remember one time, guys, I got pulled over in this highway. Apparently I was doing 95, and this highway speed limit is 55. I don't recall doing 95. I don't think I was doing 95. But that day, bro, I ended up with like 6 tickets in total. He gave me a ticket for every single tinted window I have. He said I did an unsafe lane change and the speeding ticket. I don't know. And the craziest part is, guys, is that he was literally driving in front of me. He was way maybe like 20 cars ahead. And when he pulls me over, he says, I got hawk-eyed. What does that even mean, bro? He said, I got eyes behind my head. What are you talking about? I don't even know, bro, but I don't think I was doing 95, though. He definitely lied. I ended up paying the cost, man. I paid for all them tickets. I had to hire a lawyer, and yeah, bro. Apparently 95. I don't think I was doing 95, though. He OD with that one. I don't know. I was speeding a little bit, yeah, but I do not think I was doing 95, though. I don't know, though. I was not looking. I try to be a nice guy, too. I try to be honest with him and shit. Like, yo, I told him, like, yeah, I know, like, I was a little bit over the speed limit, but I'm pretty sure I wasn't doing 95, though. Like, 95 is a lot that's 40 over the speed limit. I'm pretty sure I was not doing 95, but, you know, it is his word against mine, and I didn't really have the proof. I mean, I could have asked him, like, oh, let me see the radar, you know, but that would have made it even more crazy, and I was already late to where I was going, so I didn't want to do all that, and he already had me there for mad long. So yeah, bro. And it was a trooper too, so they don't really play, you know what I mean? Like, it wasn't like a regular cop. It was one of them black cars, bro, that like say trooper on the side. I said, oh my god, bro. When I seen them lights, because he was ahead of me, and then he like slowed down just for me. I was like, he's slowing down, so I slowed down, and as he was slowing down, I was slowing down. But he slowed down so much that he got right behind me, bro. And then he turned the lights, pulled me over, and then yeah, bro. And that was my day. I was tight, bro, because I had a dinner that night. My whole day was freaking ruined because of him. But whatever, man, it happens. Happens to the best of us. All right, you guys, well, that's pretty much it, man. It was, you know, I just want to do a little cutting up video on the highway. We got a little bit of cutting up until the Honda had to mess it up for us, but it's whatever, man. That ALPINA, I don't even see those cars around ever like that. But he was out, though. He was gone. He was gone. If it was less cars on the highway, I'm sure I would have been on his ass more and like probably passed him, but it was so many cars, bro, I didn't even want to risk it like that, you feel me? But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Look at that. That's a what? That's like a, I don't even know what car that is. Hold on, let me show you real quick. I don't know what car that is. Let me see. I don't even know. The old cars. I forgot the name of those. I don't really know them all like that. But anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned for more, and peace out.